This is the Ultimate Colour Correction Box Edit by TOYL. This is the April box. Let's get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So today's video we have, let me just cover my address up. We have this is the April TOYL box. Yeah, let's open it up. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Let's have a little sneaky peeky in the box. A sneaky peeky? Yeah. So this is inside the box. So we have, if I can open it up, my fingers aren't working today. We have the edit card. It has information on everything that is in here, which is great. And then we have a nice, lovely, neat box. But let's just rip that open. And there is a sneak peek in the box for you. If you are interested in purchasing this box for yourself, this costs £35. So this is the most expensive box that I get personally. And so far I haven't been disappointed. It's definitely worth it. You get more higher end brands in here, which is really nice to see. It's great for the more mature skin type, although if you are younger, you can still get it. Prep your skin while you're young. Definitely. You generally get 4 to 6 products in here every month. But yeah, let's have a proper dig through to see what we've got. Oh, I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box for you if you're wanting to treat yourself. Right guys, so back to the edit card for a moment. So it just says here, this edit is called the Colour Correcting Box. There is a note just on the inside here. Let's give that a quick read. So it just says the April box, the Ultimate Colour Correct Box. Why? Because I went to see a dermatologist about my fine lines and wrinkles, and she was actually more interested in evening out my skin tone, because that, in her opinion, is just as aging as fine lines. We can't pack her whizzy machines into this box, but we can use products to get great results. So I've blown the budget, and our friends at Stila have given us access to, in my opinion, one of the best skin tone colour correcting products for all skin tones. Okay, luxury British beauty brand Oskia, created by the incredible Georgie Cleve, is the ceramide based serum that we need in our lives. Ceramides help to retain moisture, to even out fine lines, calm skin, ready for colour correction, and block pollution damage, which will be on the rise as we start spending more time outdoors. Couple this with 2 further products and 2 treats from me worth £12.99 and 49p respectively. No expense spared here. And I hope you love your April Easter box. Right, so enough of that. Let's get into it. The first product we have in the box is this. So the first product is by the brand Oskia. And this has an RRP of £64. Wow. It just says this serum calms, and if we are colour correcting with this box, we want calm skin. Oskia is a British luxury brand, and this serum is one of the award-winning bestsellers, suitable for all skin types. The oat-based ceramides support the lipid barrier, creating great base for stila. A technical take on skin hydration, this lightweight hydrating serum infuses instantly and long-term moisture to quench thirsty skin, and clinically proven to increase and regulate skin hydration up to 34% after 1 hour and 30% after 4 weeks. Calming and comforting, it replenishes vital nutrients and supports the skin mantle and barrier function. And it basically just says you use it morning and night after you cleanse. So there is the bottle. The packaging is very clean cut. It's really nice. So I've just popped a little drop on my skin there. Just gonna rub that on in. It feels very light on the skin indeed. It soaks straight in there. It's left a nice little glow. It has a very faint, pleasant smell. Yeah, definitely excited to give that a go. The second item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Stila, and it's One Step Correcting Colour Corrector. The RRP for this is £28. It just says, have you ever tried anything like this before? No? Well, be careful, as it's about to become a beauty staple for you. This innovative triple swirl helix serum instantly primes, colour corrects, brightens and nourishes skin for a flawless face with no fuss. The revolutionary, I can't even say it. This revolutionary product contains 3 colour correcting pigments to even out your skin tone. So you've got a green tone, a lavender tone and a peach tone. It just says here, if you pop it on before your SPF. Okay, I'm really intrigued with this. Let's get it open. I'm dying to see. Oh yeah, so yeah, there are the swirls there. That looks so cute. So there it is there. You can see all 3 colours in it. I've put way too much on my hand there. I just wanted to make sure to have enough on there so you could see all 3 colours. Feels nice. It has a really nice smell on it too. Oh, that feels lovely. It doesn't feel too slippery or silicone-y. But yeah, that feels very nice. Oh, yeah, I'll have to try that before I put my makeup on tomorrow. So the third product we have is this. So this is by the brand Indeed Labs, and this is no acid pads. The RRP for this is £19.99. It just says these pads are packed with active probiotics and natural extracts from yarrow and Japanese cedar buds to gently exfoliate to remove dead skin cells and strengthen the skin's barrier function. These are the perfect foundation for your serum, as it will be applied to exfoliate skin with cells ready to receive rather than under dead skin cells. Formulated for all skin types, including sensitive and acne prone. No acid pads work gently yet effectively to reduce the appearance of enlarged pores, fine lines, wrinkles and uneven skin texture. So yeah, you can use these AM or PM. Cool. I think I've had these before a little while ago and I quite enjoyed using them. Yeah, they're sealed. I'm going to leave them sealed. Normally I'm not into pads, but I did actually enjoy using these the last time, as far as I can remember. So yeah, quite happy to get them again. So product 4, we have this. It is another product by the brand Oskia, and this is Super C Smart Nutrient Beauty Capsules. That's a name and a half. And it just says Super C Capsules. Remember, these go on the skin, do not eat. Thank you for that. A brilliant way of getting the freshest vitamin C onto your skin. Vitamin C oxidizes. It starts to break down when in contact with the air, so these capsules keep each dose super fresh. These are a topical antioxidant to fight free radicals that damage skin, and the effect you'll see is brightening, glow, all the good stuff we want on our skin as we even out the tone. It says you use these morning or night. This is probably something I use on a night time personally for me. But yeah, let's have a little look at the capsules. This box is just so little and cute. There are the capsules there. You know, looking at them, I think I have had these before, or was it another brand? It could have been another brand possibly. But I love stuff like this. I just love vitamin C. I am mad about it. Anything that can help with melasma and dark patches on my face gets a thumbs up from me. So they said that there was 2 treats in the box, and the first treat is this one right here. So this is by Dr. Seaweed, and it is Weed and Wonderful Pure Seaweed Iodine Supplement. There's a 30-day supply here, and these are worth £12.95. And it just says this supplement is fantastic. Feel wonderful with seaweed. Dr. Seaweed's Weed and Wonderful Pure Organic Scottish Seaweed Supplement provides essential nutrition lacking in most diets and boasts healthy skin, thyroid function, cognitive performance and energy, all natural and backed by science. So they are what the capsules look like in there. So yeah, I wonder if I'll get any benefit from them. And the second little treat we have is this. So this is by Lindt, and it's a chocolate bunny. So this is what is worth 49p. Yeah, I love Lindt chocolate. And I think with this I'm going to have to bite the bunny's head off first and then eat the body. Just being honest. This is the Ultimate Colour Correction Box Edit by Time of Your Life, the April box. What do you think? Personally, I'm really liking this box. The products and brands in there are really good. So with my rough, very rough calculations, what this is roughly worth about £126. That bunny there is going to get it in a minute. As I say, some really great brands. Stila, awesome brand. Oskia, again, awesome brand. I've never heard of Dr. Seaweed before. And I think I have had these pads by Indeed Lab, I think. But yeah, the products themselves are going to get well used and well loved. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.